On July 14, 2023, Chandrayaan-3 was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. On August 23, 2023, at 6:04 pm, Chandrayaan-3 made history by successfully landing on the moon's south pole, making India the first country to achieve this feat and the fourth to land on the moon. The mission's primary goal was a safe landing and conducting scientific experiments. The lander and rover, equipped with various scientific instruments, analyzed the moon's surface, soil, and rocks. Following the successful landing, Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared August 23 as National Space Day. On July 14, 2013, the last telegram in India was sent by Kavita Vaghmare from Pune to her mother, expressing love and respect through a poem. India's telegram service began in 1850, initially used by the British government. By 1851, the first experimental message was sent from Calcutta to Diamond Harbour, and by 1855, it became popular among the public. However, the rise of phones, mobiles, and the internet in the 1980s and 1990s led to a decline in its use. Due to high costs and low revenue, the government decided to shut down the service on July 12, 2013, with the final telegram sent on July 14, 2013. Bastille Day, celebrated annually on July 14 in France, commemorates the 1789 attack on the Bastille Fort in Paris, a pivotal event in the French Revolution. The Bastille, originally a medieval fortress and later a state prison, symbolized the monarchy's operation. The revolutionaries' storming of the Bastille marked the end of the monarchy and the establishment of the Republic. Bastille Day is celebrated with a grand military parade in Paris, attended by the French president, showcasing France's military strength and unity. The day is also marked by fireworks, music, and dance events across the country. In 2023, PM Narendra Modi attended the parade in Paris at the invitation of French President Emmanuel Macron.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। Education glorifies nation.
On July 14, 1850, Dr. John Gorey of Florida, USA created ice using a machine for the first time. Responding to heat-related deaths in Florida, Dr. Gorey hung ice bags outside his clinic to cool the air inside. Due to the difficulty of obtaining ice, he invented an ice machine, laying the groundwork for modern refrigeration. Although French scientist Adrien Jean-Pierre Thilaurier first made ice in 1835 by evaporating carbon dioxide to produce dry ice, Dr. Gorey's invention significantly advanced the development of refrigerators. On July 14, 1867, Alfred Nobel successfully exploded dynamite for the first time in Helensburgh, Sweden. Nobel, a Swedish chemist, engineer, and industrialist, invented dynamite by mixing nitroglycerine with a stable absorbent, creating a safer and more controlled explosive. Although dynamite was intended to reduce the dangers of nitroglycerin, its use in wars made it controversial. Nobel's invention brought him fame, but after his brother's death in a dynamite-related accident, he turned towards promoting peace. Nobel held 355 patents and in his will established the Nobel Prize to honor those who benefit humanity. Today, this prestigious award recognizes outstanding achievements in various fields annually.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।